College Univero te klami biang kan notice nampo Meglia Police website te kini kiba layo klami list te kladon saka place of posting mentai klami ikarteng but ki place of posting in pursuant to the government approval for appointment of selected candidates for the post of follower convey white letter number and as recommended by PEB the following selected candidates are hereby posted to different district unit organization as indicated against existing vacancy which are follow. Takmut ba kini ladap yok posting ha kini ki district ladap ai bi hang nemo ki district ki jaka ki bedeban ai te sapej ma phi kerteng jong lade phi yok ha ka district ayu ha ka e ka jaka ka place of posting. Te kani ka de jok post jong followers te kini ki bayo te hang tu pil ladap ai mention ber kerteng ber number trade ber ka place of posting da ki kerteng tama kan wan ostang ka place of posting. Slan Dominic, West Garrow Hill, Saljagring, West Khasi Hill, Chisrang, 2nd MLP, Jompul Star, Ribhoy District, Job Starson, North Garrow Hill, Donbok Maring, West Garrow Hill, Stilin, Eastern West Khasi Hill, Mairang, Ilius Makri, 4th MLP Battalion, Ban Raplang, West Garrow Hill, Kendro Lang Sintem, Ribhoy, Hepstarli, West Khasi Hill, Donald Wilson, West Jaintia, Saljarang, 2nd MLP Battalion, Skylin, West Jaintia, Red Chat Chambugong, West Garrow Hill, Meban San Borlang, East Jaintia, Ra Job Corridor, West Jaintia, Hear Me, West Jaintia, Asterius, West Garrow Hill, Lottingson, South Garrow Hill, Bijoy, West Garrow Hill, Kiro Bahapala, East Jaintia Hill, Nawar, West Garrow Hill, Sengsram, South Garrow Hill, Shibun Suyam, East Jaintia Hill, Benudhar, 3rd MLP, Justin, East Jaintia Hill, Anling, 2nd MLP, Shales, 2nd MLP, Elbring, Meshan, Kinedi 2nd MLP, Rab Borlang, 1st MLP, Salman and Sangma, 3rd MLP, Rizkhami, South Garrow Hill, Chaseng, SF10, Swallington, South Garrow Hill, Arbib, 3rd MLP, Kartik, 3rd MLP, Dilak, SF10, Jongkuk, Piroj, PTS, Shangan Borlang, Lingdo, 3rd MLP, Bin Raplang, 3rd MLP, Ejaj, East Garrow Hill, Lakhon, 3rd MLP, Alan Banda, 3rd MLP, Bilakson, North Garrow Hill, Klemenlang, East Garrow Hill, Gagan, West Garrow Hill, Bajmi, 3rd MLP. Cornelius, 3rd MLP, Chiongrag, SF10, Kaljin, Ribhoy, Teman, Ribhoy, Sengkri, 2nd MLP, Ardip, West Khasi Hill, Perison, West Khasi Hill, Salman, 2nd MLP, Criswell, Gilbert, Barnard, Antap Serang at 2nd MLP Battalion, Prang Stargi, 4th MLP, Mbhawan, 4th MLP, Malojan, 2nd MLP, Washbot, 3rd MLP, Rambang, 3rd MLP, Star News, PTS, Jinseng, Kampon Singh, Lindrit, Wilson, Augustine, Nowash, Kinegin Aka 6 MLP, Pasang CH Sangma in SF10. In this connection, the concerned appointing authorities are directed to ensure completion of all necessary formalities including taking 10-digit fingerprints while issuing appointment order to above mentioned selected candidate with due intimation to police headquarters. Tengah terakhir pinsayo objektif sepangataka appointment letter, appointment order, nam tajong pi, shwaba pin lej, tekin sa pentip ngatrai, lane kin sa pa shaying, kata appointment letter lane, pihaban lej hakin ki posting area, tekin sa ajeng tip hiya kata bro, te hang nek tempat ai notice age pang kita, tekin sa pen mi.